there, I'm WCBI meteorologist Vanessa Alonso, and welcome to another edition of Our Changing Planet. Today, we'll be talking about a subject that got me into weather in the first place: hurricanes and tropical systems. We are now past the peak of the 2020 hurricane season. Before it began, NOAA came out with their forecast calling for an above-average season, and it has certainly lived up to it. The 2020 season is now the second most active season on record since 2005, with 9 U.S. landfalls and now having to enter into the Greek alphabet to continue naming storms. What is causing this? Well, the answer is simple: our shifting climate. Tropical systems get their energy from the very warm ocean waters. Marine heat waves are prolonged extreme oceanic warm water events that can have devastating impacts on our marine ecosystems. They occur when water temperatures are much warmer than normal for at least 5 consecutive days. The number of those days have increased since the early 20th century. This number is projected to grow even more as the planet continues to warm. Warm water temperatures in the tropical Atlantic during hurricane season have risen about 1.85 degrees Fahrenheit over the past 100 years. When combined with the very warm atmosphere, this means storms have a greater potential for greater impacts on people. More water evaporates into the storms, allowing for heavier rain. There is also evidence that the forward speed of these storms are slowing, increasing rainfall amounts and adding to an inland flooding risk. And with sea levels averaging 7 inches higher than a century ago, flooding from storm surge is already deeper and traveling farther inland. There is also significant increase in the likelihood that a hurricane will be a major hurricane, ranging from Category 3 to Category 5 intensity during its lifetime. Case in point, Hurricane Laura. As it moved across the Gulf of Mexico, Laura rapidly intensified by a remarkable 65 miles per hour in just 24 hours before making landfall as a Category 4 storm with winds at 150 miles per hour in the early morning hours of August 27th, making it the strongest landfalling hurricane in Louisiana history and one of the strongest hurricanes on record to make landfall in the U.S. Other documented impacts of marine heat waves include large-scale shifts in fish stock locations, coral bleaching, and coral reef die-offs. Without cuts in greenhouse gas emissions, these trends will unfortunately continue. Don't forget, if there is something you have noticed that you think could be climate change related, reach out to me and I'll help get those answers to you. Who knows? Maybe it will be part of my next edition of Our Changing Planet. For now, I'm meteorologist Vanessa Alonso. Thank you for watching. See you next time.